Hello, everyone. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. This is Zone Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com, taking a look at the price of gold here on the hourly time frame, and then kind of working my way around a little bit here. Towards the end of the week, we actually ended up bouncing quite nicely and recovering above that 1263 area, so nullifying that move to the 1260s or 1250s even at this moment in time. So what I see heading into the first part of the week is essentially another push back up to about that 1279, 1280 level, maybe extending even up to about that 1281 level. But from there, I would expect a pullback to at least that 1276 area. Further still, greater probability will go down about 1274, and then we really need to see what happens from there because overall the price hasn't really shown too much. Weekly time frame, we matched about 2 weeks ago that lows. Well, let me just bring it up for you here. It's a little bit easier if you see it. We matched the lows of that previous week's candlestick. So we had a hammer here, popped up, the bears came in, took us back down, and another hammer on last week's candle. Now I expect just a little bit of upside here, and then further consolidation slash volatility within that range. So long story short, what I'm seeing is the price going up to about 1280, kind of churning and then rolling over again, and then just basically dwindling along 1260 before we break out of this trend line here, and then we'll tap this line once again, and then look for prices to bounce from that point on. So that's how I envision the price action playing out over the next few sessions. We are right near this 200 period moving average, which is going to kind of rotate, or not rotate, but essentially just glide along at this level here near the 61.8 Fibonacci level, and then we'll see another push down, and then we'll head up higher. So near term, a little bit of upside. Hit that trend line, we'll be rolling back down near that 200 as well as the 61.8 level. I do imagine that this level will hold. We do have another trend line just below us as well, so there is a lot saying that we should trade within this area, at least for the near term future. And if I slide the chart a little bit to the right, you'll see that this 1260 area has played a role in the recent past. Just back in May, we were in this area, broke below, broke above. So, we really do need to see that consolidation take place here after this drop in gold over the past few sessions. We've had a nice spike up. We've come down pretty strong and we've been resisting. Now I think we'll see another pop up here, and as I said, maybe one more push towards about 1263-ish, and then we'll see a little bit of a northern movement here. So the bulls should come back in very soon. If not, if this doesn't actually play out a little bit here, the second path that I could see is, we come up here, test this trend line here, kind of consolidate, and then we push up higher. Something like that. That's also another possibility. Again, I don't really give too much weight to the downside here. I'm still expecting prices to maintain relatively bullish. We need to see some consolidation here, and then we'll obviously see another push either higher or lower from there. But near term, I'd expect more sideways action along this 200 period moving average before we really see the bulls come back in and get the show back on the road. So that's what I see as far as gold is concerned. I appreciate you all watching and subscribing to my channel. Hope you had a great weekend. Green trading to you all.